went through hell, toxic as fuck, but we never left. Turned poison into gold. Listen. Let's keep it real, we fucked up everything. Fought every night, made the whole world scream. People said leave them, said we're poison, we're bad, but they don't know the bond that we really had. I was wild as hell, out of control, crazy as fuck, drinking, partying, didn't give a single fuck. I was the storm, the fire, the pain in your life, but you held me down through the wind and the strife. From H-Town we rose, built our own empire. Māori fire in my blood, I'm the queen, I'm the fire. Broke you down just to build you up higher, turned a little spark into a motherfucking fire. Scars on our hearts, marks on our skin, every wrong thing we ever did sin. But I didn't quit, I didn't walk away. Took all that poison and made it our fucking way. Classy as hell, but still that savage bitch. Play with me, you gon' find out which is which. Yeah, we fuck up shit, but we do it with class. Still together, baby, ain't no fucking doubt, it's fact. Past was toxic, yeah, we know it's true, but I wouldn't change a thing, cause I'm still with you. We grew strong as fuck, built this shit from the ground. You're a better man now, cause I came around. Bad memories, wear them like a crown. Toxic turned to gold, look at us now. I was messy, angry, raw as can be. You saw the worst in me, still stay with me. Icy, pricey, draped in silk and leather. You were rough round edges, I made you better. Taught you patience, taught you pain, taught you how to win inside this game. Yeah, we hurt each other, yeah, we crossed the line, but no one else I'd waste my fucking time with. Turn dirt to diamonds, turn hell to home. Everything we got, we earned it on our own. I'm expensive, loyal, out of your league. You're my king now, I built that fucking league. Built it up, tore it down, built it up again. You thought we'd break, bitch, we just began. I'm broken, unbothered, untouched by the mess. Wore all the chaos like a designer dress. Man, it runs deep, Māori blood runs hot. Everything we got, we earned it on the spot. Yeah, we fuck up shit, but we do it with class. Still together, baby, ain't no fucking doubt, it's fact. Past was toxic, yeah, we know it's true, but I wouldn't change a thing, cause I'm still with you. We grew strong as fuck, built this shit from the ground. You're a better man now, cause I came around. Bad memories, wear them like a crown. Toxic turned to gold, look at us now. Hey, hey. They said we fall, said we break apart, said we destroy each other's heart. But look at us now, standing on the top. Everything we built is never gonna stop. Forever yours, forever mine. Toxic love turned to fucking divine. Yeah, we fuck up shit, but we do it with class. Still together, baby, ain't no fucking doubt, it's fact. Past was toxic, yeah, we know it's true, but I wouldn't change a thing, cause I'm still with you. We grew strong as fuck, built this shit from the ground. You're a better man now, cause I came around. Bad memories, wear them like a crown. Toxic turned to gold, we made it. Look at us now. Yeah, toxic as hell, but we never left. Now we're untouchable. Māori royalty, H-Town, queen and king. Turned hell into gold by haters.